Ever feel like your projects are a tangled mess? Tasks piling up, teams working in silos, and deadlines looming?
It's a daily battle to keep everything aligned.
Sarah said, "This is where traditional workflows struggle. They're often rigid, reacting to problems instead of preventing them. Imagine a system that not only understands your goals, but actively adapts, predicts, and even solves issues before they become problems. This is Agentic workflow orchestration. It's like having an intelligent conductor for your entire operation. Each agent, a piece of smart software, knows its role, communicates seamlessly, and makes small autonomous decisions to keep the workflow optimal. For you, the non-technical manager, this means less firefighting and more strategic thinking. No more chasing updates or manually adjusting schedules. Your team becomes more efficient, resources are utilized smarter, and your projects hit targets with unprecedented consistency."
Finally, clarity and control.
Sarah said, "Agentic workflow orchestration isn't just automation. It's empowering your entire operation to be proactive, adaptive, and brilliantly effective." Please like and subscribe TechGo4U YouTube channel and visit the channel frequently for more related